Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Happy birthday, Lou, at Loopy Frog Nails. It's an Instagram collab. Here is a picture of my inspiration frog. It's a Harlequin poison dart frog. I'm loving that. I'm going to start off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here's Pretty Serious Cloud Burst. It's a little darker than my inspiration picture, but it was pretty close, so I went with it. And here we go with our first beautiful easy coat. This is another one of the polishes my amazing friend Mrs. K's Corner gave me. It could be a one coater, but we are going to do two coats today. We're not going to shortchange Loopy Frog on her birthday. So there we go. We got our two coats. I've top coated them. I didn't record it, but we're going to be going in with this on the black with the dotting tool. A very simple mani today. Not too much skill or steady hands needed, which is a good thing because I don't have very steady hands. I'm pretty shaky, especially if I've had a bunch of caffeine, which is almost always the case. I used the bigger end of the dotting tool to make some big dots, and now I'm going in with the skinnier dotting tool end to make little bitty dots and some little lines. And I'm liking it so far. What a nice, easy manicure. Here we go. I'm getting in a little closer so you can see. I'm doing a couple of lines on each one and then different sized little bitty dots all over the place. And I was really excited about this because I've done frog-inspired manicures before and I've always enjoyed them. I love the look. And to do it for somebody's special day, that's just even more amazing, along with a bunch of other amazing ladies from Instagram. If I can get a copy of all the links on Instagram or all the names, then I will list them down below. I don't know how many of them are going to do videos. Most of them are probably just going to post on Instagram. So I'm looking at them, and I've decided this one needs just a little bit more. I'm going to get another line in on this one. There we go. Now I'm going to let these dry really good before I top them with this Poshe top coat here. Normally when you do Dotticures, you definitely want to make sure that polish is dry before you do your top coat, because you could drag some of the image or some of the dots because they're a little thick. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.